Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of baking because it's 85 degrees outside, and what better way to cool down than turn on your oven? Doesn't make any sense, but really, we're going to do some baking. We're going to make some peanut butter and jelly bars. They are an absolute little treat of a snack, and quite honestly, I've taken them to work instead of a sandwich before. They whip together pretty quick, and they're very, very tasty. My kids love them. I like them. Just an all-around delicious little treat. Here's a little recipe for you. Go ahead and get your screenshots in. There we go. So, first thing we're going to do is we're going to have our stand mixer. You can use a hand mixer if you want, but I'm just partial to the stand mixer. Biggest thing you got to remember is taking your butter out a couple hours beforehand. Like I said, it's 85 today. I forgot. Threw them outside for an hour. Nice and mushy. They're already in there. And then we have our 1.5 cups of sugar. We're going to pour that in there, and then we're going to beat that together for about 2 minutes until it's creamy. I have my 2 eggs already cracked with my vanilla in here, so with this going on a low speed, we're going to go ahead and dump that in. Then we're going to come right behind it with the peanut butter. So once that's all combined, we're going to kick that back down to a low speed, and we're going to have our bowl with our pre-sifted flour, baking powder, and kosher salt. And we're just going to dump this in. Oven's ready for us. We're just going to dump this in a little bit at a time and let it just naturally mix together. Once you have your parchment paper in your pan, you're just going to go ahead and put a little bit of flour in the bottom. Just going to help the parchment paper come off there nice and easy. Then we're going to take about 2/3 of our batter, and we're going to place it in here. No real good guide for this, so you're just kind of eyeballing it until it feels right. Something like that's going to do, guys. It's not a very runny batter. It doesn't need to be perfect. The heat's going to take care of it for you. So we're going to grab our jelly. We're going to drop some jelly in here, drop our batter in around it, and it's all going to heat deliciously. Went ahead and used my jelly of choice. When you're doing the jelly, kind of doing it like you would do a tomato sauce on a pizza crust. You don't want to get it all the way out to the edge. You want to leave a little bit of crust, because obviously the jelly, as it gets hot, it's going to liquefy a little bit, and you don't want that to get up against the glass and burn. You can use jelly, you can use jam, you can use grape, you can use strawberry. You get it. You can use whatever you want. It's going to be delicious. So after that, you're just coming behind with what is left of your mix, and you're just kind of dropping bombs on the city here. Just drop them in there wherever you want. It does not have to be a nice even coat. You're just kind of dropping it in there. However, that there is your perfect pre-cooked peanut butter and jelly bar. 350, oven should be already hot. Going to be in there about 45 minutes. So there we have it, guys. 45 minutes on the dot. Took the pan out, let it cool, cut you guys a slice. Here's what we look like. It's like a beautiful adult Uncrustable. And they're just delicious for anything. Whether you're on the go, going to work, got to head back out to those softball, baseball, soccer games, all that fun stuff starting back up. Take these for the other kids, or take them for when they're done. They're so used to not having a lot of physical activity, they're going to be starving. Just enjoy. Super easy to make. Didn't take me very long to put them together. Maybe measuring everything out and mixing it together, maybe 10-15 minutes. Cook them for 45, let them cool, have yourself a treat. Enjoy, guys. Have fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.